Hi, welcome back to Vivian's channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you get notified for our next new video. Today, I would like to share with you guys a very quick message and very important one. The message is to remind ourselves every day is a new beginning. The time this video is recorded is at the last quarter of 2022. A lot of people are having their New Year resolution, thinking that they have to wait until the first day of the new year to start something new. At the end of the day, they won't be doing anything for the last quarter of the year, thinking that might as well, I'll just wait for the new year. But in actual fact, it is not doing any greatness for us if we just wait. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start anything. Today is your new beginning. This moment is your new beginning. We can literally decide to start anything at any time and never ever think that it is too late. So make the most out of your day. What do you want to do? As it is our new beginning today, what can we do to make the most of our day? So today, I wanted to share with you guys 3 quick tips to make the most of our day. Key number 1, do one thing at a time and be focused. We might be thinking we have to do a million things in the day to make the most of our day. However, the number 1 key to make the most of our day is actually to make sure we focus on one thing at a time. Know what's your priority in the day and focus on it instead of multitasking. I am actually wanting to confess because this is the things that I'm still learning to do. Especially for us mom, we tend to multitask and have a million things in our mind, right? However, we should start our day by having the intention of the day. So we know what's the most important thing that we have to be done on that day and focus on it before we move on to another task. That way, we feel so much more fulfilled of completing the task of the day rather than having a million things lying around and none of them is done. The second tips to make the most of our day is do one thing or do something that you love. Yes, we are doing the things that is most important for us of the day, but we have to also find something that make us happy throughout the day, something that we really love doing, something that make us happy. In that way, we'll feel more fulfilled with the progress that we have after a productive day. For my things that I love to do most probably is talk with my children before they go to the bed, or maybe to watch a short series that make you laugh. So choose one thing that you love that make you laugh throughout the day to make the most of your day. And the last one is be present. To make the most out of our day, we have to learn and practice being present in our moment. This is especially important when we are with other people, with our loved one. We have to let go of the distraction, especially on our mobile phone, scrolling to the social media. Instead, we have to be present with that person, listen to them wholeheartedly, and ask the right question. In that way, we can find more meaningful conversation. Aside from that, we should be more present with ourselves as well. Take some time to feel the beauty around us and feel the every moment that you have. So there you go, the 3 keys to make the most of our day. Focus on one thing at a time and fulfillment of completing something. The second one, do things that make us smile. Be present in the moment is the third one. So I'm going to end the video with something that is very important message. Every day is a new beginning. It's never too late to start. make the most of your today. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.